Six Figures. Welcome to the Six Figures YouTube channel. So in today, actually, I'm going to make a short video on how to make your withdrawal on IX Global Back Office. This is going to be very short. So if you're a welcoming subscriber, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, good to see you. So, in this channel, we'll talk about how to make money, a legitimate way to make money. Also, bear in mind that every business has its risk factor. So, do your due diligence, check out what you're willing to invest, and you should know what the risk to reward ratio is. So quickly, let's dive into this, right? So if you want to actually place your withdrawal in IX Global, so you're going to come here, this button up here, then you look for payout, look at payout, click payout, then you request payout, click request payout. Okay, so you scroll down. Now look at that. It's telling you wallet withdrawal. So now already I have paste by method of withdrawal, but let me go back to help you. So for you to select your method of withdrawal, you come to payout preference. So payout preference, you see you have PayPal, Bank Mexico, USA. Well, I'm making this video from Nigeria, so I will go with USDT, right? So this is your USDT PEP20. PEP20 that have to do with Binance, okay? So you go to your Binance. So first, usually here is to be off. You click it. It's going to turn green. Then you click save. Then you see at top right, payment method saved successfully, all right? So the next thing you're going to do now, then you click this button, this setting icon. You click it. When you click it, it's going to open this place for you. All right, so I have to move my camera. It's going to open this place for you. So now wallet address, I'm going to go to my Binance. I'm going to go to my Binance. This is my Binance here. Okay, when you come to your Binance, all right, I have to go back home. When you come to your Binance, you can click spot. So deposit, because we want to deposit in our Binance USDT. So look at USDT, you click USDT. Make sure you select BNB Smart Chain PEP 20. All right, that is the network. Very, very important. So you can copy your address. After copy your address, you go back here, you paste. That's your address. You click what? Save. Now it will ask you for token. Look at it, say token has been sent to your email. All right, so you have to go to your email now. Okay, go to your email, your Gmail, to copy what? The token. So you're going to receive, where are you? Okay. Okay, Gmail, here we go. So you can see they've sent me a mail. This is 10. Okay, let me make sure that is for now. So they've sent me a couple of mails. I don't know. 105. I want to be sure, like they've sent me a couple of mail. I want to see the current one. Let me pause. So you copy your token. Okay, so copy. Now you come back here, you paste your token. So usually this token is not permanent. For every withdrawal you want to do, they send you a new token, so you don't actually have to be afraid, right? So you save now. You see it has been saved now. So if I should view here, I will see my address. But read this, say it is your responsibility to ensure you submitted the right correct wallet. IX is not responsible for any loss due to incorrect wallet address. So it is very, very important that you make sure that you're copying the right USDT PEP20 address. If that's what you're using, if it's paper, make sure that what you're putting there, the email is actually correct. The information necessary is correct, right? So now I'm going to go back now. So save. So okay, so we're going to go back to request payout. So good. So come back here, you click request payout. Now look at it. They say Payout request must be submitted before Sunday 11:59. All right. So for same week processing, payout request submitted after Sunday 11:59 will be pushed to next week. So like now, I want to place this withdrawal. Like kita kita kita. Kita go. All right. So amount I want to place 180. I'm actually supposed to make a test withdrawal, but well, the minimum you can actually withdraw is $100. So um, make a test, withdrawal. So it's step 20. My address there 180, and charges is minimum withdrawal is $100. You can see it. So maximum withdrawal balance is $15,000. I'm working to hit that, all right, very soon. So I'll be having $176. Okay, so that is that. All right, so next, so they say withdrawal requests, security authentication type. Um, let me go with Google. Okay, let me go with Google. But first, let me check if I actually set that up. So I selected email, Google email. So let's go next. So I'm still going to go to my email to get the tokens right here. So let me pause this. So now I've copied the token sent to me and I've pasted it here. Okay, I pasted it here. So the next thing you're going to click next. So withdrawal request sent successfully. The transfer process can take 2 to 3 business days. Please wait until the admin approve the request. Voila. This is just the A to Z of placing your withdrawal on Ixglobal back office. All right. So now let's go back and see. So let's go back to the dashboard to see what I have. So currently I only have $25. The reason I have this $25 is that some of this let's come here. Some of these payouts. Let me check for uh, some of these payouts are not. Some of them are locked, right? Some of them are locked. Payout preference complete. Let me see payout history. So my payout history, you can see spending 180 wallet address to this wallet address today. All right. So I've checked that out. Also, um, check active payouts. So this is the active payout so far pending. So I'm just doing this to help you. You can go take your time, go through this step by step. You definitely succeed in actually placing your withdrawal. There's no big deal about it. But I'm trying to check something. Let me just pause. So as a roundup, if you want to check the reason why I'm not able to withdraw that $25, when you click your financials, then you go to withdraw summary, withdraw summary. Now look at all these my team members. Okay. Now you can see I have this e-wallet purchase $10 debit. Is okay, this $25 is locked. Is locked. So I believe probably in the next 1 week or so, it will be unlocked. Okay. I don't know. I've not confirmed how many days it's going to take for them to unlock it. But as for yesterday, this $100, this my apprentice $100 was locked. It was unlocked this morning. Okay. So probably tomorrow, sir. Probably tomorrow, this $25 will be unlocked. So right now, I cannot make any withdrawal. I cannot withdraw that $25 until it's up to $100. So I believe this video is helpful. If it is, please kindly share, love, comment. Feel free to ask me question, and if you're interested to register, you can get back to the person that actually show you this business. But if you want to join my team, reach out to me and we can show you how we are building a community of individuals that are making money through crypto mining. See you. Peace out. All right. Bye bye.